The elevator at the ESU Jeanette Reibman Administration Building. Up works, but other than that, down is burnt out. I believe this was originally a Westinghouse modernized by Schindler, but it's been... Let's get in. Yeah. So this, I think this was originally a Westinghouse from 1972. I believe it was modernized by Schindler in '06 when the administration wing was added. Actually, I'm gonna let you hear the machine. Oh, that's weird, the call light's up. Get a drink. Oh. There's the elevator sign. I love how they put it on the floor. Just close the doors and go up to 2. Let's go back to This is elevator number 17 to our cab view. It's just your basic Westinghouse modded by Schindler. Let's try that again so I can get the go. Blended at 1. Here we are at 1 and